What's our actual price? 3,20,000. So hire purchase price minus cash price. So 60,000 is the total interest. First year 30,000 means 70 plus 30. Second year 20,000 means 80 plus 20. Third year 10,000 means 90 plus 10. Under credit purchase system in machinery account, here machinery account it out to hire seller account by depreciation, carried down, brought down by depreciation, carried down, brought down by depreciation. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram, First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to hand Financial Accounting 2, Unit 6, Session 3 in favor of hire purchase accounting. I already told in the last session what about the hire purchase system. It is a credit purchase. We have got two parties. One is called hire seller and hire purchaser. How to prepare the ledger? I am going to ask. So there are two methods here. One is called asset accrual method, another credit purchase method. Now we are going to do asset accrual method. A minibus is purchased for 3,20,000 under hire purchase on 1/1/2018. The amount payable is 80,000 on entering the agreement and the balance in 3 annual installment of rupees 1 lakh each at the end of the year. Depreciation is charged 10% per annum on written down value method. Show the necessary ledger account in the books of hire purchaser under asset accrual method, credit purchase interest method, in the books of hire vendor under credit sale with interest method. Calculation of interest when the cash price and installment is given, but rate of interest is not given. Here, hire purchase price is 80,000. Every installment, the balance will be paid within 3 installments of 1 lakh each. 1 lakh into 3 is 3 lakh. Totally, they paid 3,80,000. What's our actual price? 3,20,000. So hire purchase price minus cash price. So 60,000 is the total interest. How much down payment? 80,000 for balance in 3 installment of 1 lakh each. So 1 lakh into 3 is 3 lakh. 3,80,000 they have paid. Actual price is 3,20,000. The difference is 60,000 is the total interest. Now, how to calculate the interest? Calculation amount at the beginning of each year. Amount at the beginning of the first year is 3,80,000 minus 80,000 down payment is 3 lakh. At the end of the second year, 1 lakh every year they are paying. 3 lakh minus 1 lakh is 2 lakh. At the end of the third year, 2 lakh minus 1 lakh is 1 lakh rupees. So the calculation of the ratios, the amount at the beginning of the first year, 3 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 lakh. If you cancel the 0, they are in the ratio of 3:2:1. The total interest is 60,000. 60,000, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 3 by 6 of 60 is 30. 60,000, 2 by 6 is 20,000. Third year, 60,000 into 1 by 6 is 10,000. The interest for first year, interest for second year, interest for third year. Okay, you understand this? Now, calculation of depreciation. The cost of the minibus is 3,20,000. Less 10% division is 32,000. If we deduct, the balance is 2,88,000. This is your balance. Less depreciation for second year, 28,800. The balance 2,59,200. Less depreciation for third year, 25,000. The 920. The balance at the end of the third year. This is called diminishing balance method. It's only a straight line method. Every year depreciation remains constant, 32,000. We'll go now. Ledger account in the books of hire purchaser under asset accrual method. Under this method, what is the cost of the asset? 3 lakh down. How much down payment is made? 80,000. 2 bank account. Every year you are going to pay 1 lakh, but interest, deduct the interest. This is your interest. minus 30,000. The balance is 1 lakh minus 30,000 is 70,000. During that year, division is 32,000, becomes 1 lakh 18,000. Brought down, 1 lakh 18,000 will be brought down. Then to hire vendor, second year, every year you pay 1 lakh minus 20,000, it becomes 80,000. Division of that year is 28,000. The balance is 1 lakh 69,200. Third year brought down, 1 lakh 69,200. So 1 lakh minus 10,000 is 90,000. Depreciation of this year is 25,920. The balance will be 2 lakh 33,280 at the end of the third year. Only procedure method is first down payment, first only a cost price by division. Balance, cash price, depreciation. Balance, cash price, depreciation. Interest will be omitted. Under accrual method, hire vendor account, how much you are going to pay? So 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees includes 70,000 cash price. There is a minibus price, interest 30,000. Totally how much you paid? 1 lakh. Minibus account data, interest account data, 70,000, 30,000. Second year, once again 1 lakh. Here, minibus 80,000, interest 20,000. Third year, once again 1 lakh. This is 90,000. Every year, interest. First year, 30,000 means 70 plus 30. Second year, 20,000 means 80 plus 20. Third year, 10,000 means 90 plus 10. Then transfer entry, same. Just like I interest account data to high seller account by profit and loss account. Interest account data to high seller account by profit and loss account. Interest to high vendor to profit and loss account. Transfer entry. Then depreciation to mission first year 32,000, transfer to profit and loss account. Interest to minibus account, transfer to P&L account. Interest to minibus account, division account. This is division account data to minibus account, transfer to profit and loss account. Depreciation to minibus account, profit and loss account. Depreciation to minibus account, transfer to profit and loss account. So this goes in the favor of accrual method. So come back here, credit purchase method. The entry is asset account data to hire seller account. Asset account data to hire seller account. Then regarding the by depreciation of the year, balance carried down. To balance brought down by depreciation 20. This is a minibus account. Hire vendor of 3 lakh account. Depreciation of that year 32,000. Division is char. The cost of the bus is, minibus is 3 lakh 20. Division is 32,000. Balance is 2 lakh 80,000. 2 lakh 80,000 by depreciation 28,800. Balance brought down. Division on this is 25,000 balance. So we are showing the minibus account, machinery account. We are showing machinery account to hire seller account by division account, carried down, brought down. Division in the second year, brought down by division, carried down. Then we'll go to hire seller account. What's the entry? Hire seller asset account data to hire seller account data to bank account, interest account data to hire seller account data to bank account. What's the cost of the machinery? 3 lakh. Entry, minibus account data to hire seller account data to bank account. Interest of this year, interest account data to high seller account data, first installment. Balance is 1,70,000. Here, brought down this 1,70,000. Interest of this year, interest account data to high seller account data to bank account. Balance is 90,000. By balance brought down 90,000. Interest of this year is 10,000 to bank account. What's the entry? Interest account data to high seller account data to bank account. This is only, no interest for this. So 1 lakh includes the interest, that is 30,000. Next 1 lakh interest includes 20,000. Third year 1 lakh interest, 10,000. What we have calculated at the beginning. For accrual and credit purchase method, interest and division remain constant. Then come back here. Interest account, interest to hire vendor account by profit and loss account. Interest to hire vendor account by profit and loss account. Interest to hire vendor account to profit and transfer entry. to hire seller by profit and loss account, to hire seller to profit and loss account. Come back to depreciation. Depreciation to asset account, transfer to profit and loss account. Depreciation to asset account by profit and loss account. Depreciation to asset account by profit account. This remains the same. Only changes in the what's called accrual method, only in the hire seller account. See that here under accrual method, down payment is to bank account, to hire vendor 70,000. Interest should not be shown. But in the credit purchase method, interest should be. Then by depreciation, brought down, hire vendor, by depreciation, hire vendor. So it includes only a cost price, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000. Only cost price. This is minus 30,000. 1 lakh minus 30 is 70,000. Balance you have to show. Here, same. Minibus account, interest account data to hire vendor. We'll pay how much money? 1 lakh. Cost price is 70,000. 30,000. Cost is 80,000. 20,000. Cost is 90,000. 10,000. Then interest remain. This interest and division remain constant in the both the method. Interest to hire seller by profit and loss account. Interest to hire seller by profit and loss account. Interest to hire seller by division. Division account data to asset account by profit and loss account. Under credit purchase system, in machinery account, here, machinery account data to hire seller account by depreciation, carried down, brought down by depreciation, carried down, brought down by depreciation. Here, under hire vendor account, to bank account down payment, to bank account which includes the interest. Here see that cost of machinery 3,20,000, to bank account 80,000 is gone. On the balance, here interest will be going to be first year 30,000. He going to pay 1 lakh rupees. Balance is 1,70,000. Brought down 1,70,000. Interest of the second year is 20,000. Second year also he pays 1 lakh. What's the balance? 90,000. Brought down 90,000. Interest of the third year is 10,000. That is clear. So in the hire purchase system, in the examination, they may ask credit purchase method. They may ask accrual method. According to that, we are going to solve the problem. Hope you understand. And interest and depreciation remains the same. Interest to hire seller account by profit and loss account. Depreciation to asset account by profit. That remains the same. But hire vendor, to bank account down payment, to bank account cost price in the, what is here, accrual method. In the case of credit purchase method, how it is? To bank account. First, machinery account data to hire seller account, to bank account, by interest, to bank account, first installment. But in the accrual method, first method, no, by machinery, to bank account down payment, then by depreciation, to bank account only a cost price carried down, then same, it will be procedure is same. Only cost price you have to show. Hope you understand. I have solved two types of, one is credit purchase method under accrual method. In the both the methods, interest and division remains the constant. Only hire vendor account changes. So hope you understand. This will come from the examination point of view for 15 marks. In the next session, we'll solve some more problem. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.